Hey, what's up, Dre? Just wanted to show you the fence contractor snapshot. I'm at my kitchen table. My family's around, dogs are around, so if there's a little bit of noise, is what it is. But this is built on the Home Services 1.0 snapshot. It's what I did to keep up with the demand. I had a lot of people pre-order snapshots. Is I built a Home Services template, and I created about 50, maybe more snapshots based on that template just to deploy them and get something that is viable, that you could quickly and easily launch for lead generation campaigns in whatever industry. What I'm doing now that I've gotten all of them done is I'm doubling back and I am customizing each one specific to the industry. So like the fence contracting one here, I'm creating a survey that'll ask, the type of material they need, the type of fence they need, the yard size, if it's gonna be, privacy fence, metal fence, whatever it's gonna be, and also if there's gonna be any other landscaping issues or jobs that are gonna be done with it. But it'll be much more involved. There's also gonna be a complete website, and you're gonna be grandfathered into all of those updates. So right now you're getting this snapshot for the price you're getting it for today. If you take me up on this 2-for-1 deal, and in the future, once I get all those updates in, the price is going to jump up to either $297 or $497, or if I get really heavy with it and I get a good client that gives me great feedback, I can make this a market leader and we can price it up near $1,000. But right now it's got the funnel. It's a 3-step funnel with lead generation, asking for name, email, phone number, appointment scheduling, to come view the property and give a free on-site quote, and the confirmation page where you'll have a good picture of the team to build a little bit of trust, and it'll have their appointment confirmation. We also have all the automations. You can see everything is organized in a way to where even if you have another snapshot already installed, this will not get mixed up. There won't be any confusion on which automations are attributed to this specific snapshot. So we have the appointment confirmation, auto missed call text back, the new lead campaigns. We'll have soap opera sequence emails built in. I have holiday campaigns to get added in addition to these ones here. We have before and after campaigns, testimonial campaigns, a lot of things to nurture and to win back business and to maintain the top of mind status for existing customers and referrals and new customers that maybe are in the decision-making process. So we have all these automations here, and then we also have all of the custom values that the snapshot is built on. So right here, all you got to do is come in here and update the custom values, whatever the specific service or discount offer name is. Think Groupon, whatever you're going to name an offer, whatever people are looking for on Groupon, that's what you're going to put here. The discount amount, the city, area, or market name, the URL to the logo. I just go to media, upload a logo, right click it, get the link, and paste it here. The agency name, so your agency name that will send the leads to the fence contractor on your behalf. This is the name and email they're going to receive the leads from. For the email automations, these are the links. Once you get a domain connected, you're going to put the calendar link, you're going to put the funnel link here, and then whatever the tracking phone number is, whether it's Lead Connector, Twilio, CallRail, Google Voice, Grasshopper, whatever phone number you're going to use, plug that in here. Always have a different phone number for your online campaigns versus your offline campaigns so you can track the effectiveness. Anyways, this is it in a nutshell. It's super easy to customize, super easy to launch, and you will be getting plenty of future updates included with this as well, including a full website, including more automations and long-term nurtures, and including some more comprehensive surveys for segmenting your leads.